Adobe Forum 101, Adobe Forums Photoshop. Adobe maintains community forums where users can ask questions, share knowledge, and engage with fellow Adobe product users. These forums serve as a valuable resource for troubleshooting issues, learning new techniques, and connecting with other members of the Adobe community. Here's an overview of Adobe's forums. 1. Adobe Support Community. This is Adobe's official community forum where users can seek help and advice from Adobe staff and fellow users. It covers a wide range of topics related to Adobe products and services, including troubleshooting, feature requests, tips and tricks, and general discussions. Users can browse existing threads or start a new discussion to ask questions or share their experiences. 2. Adobe Community Forums for specific products. In addition to the general support community, Adobe hosts dedicated forums for specific products such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, InDesign, and others. These product-specific forums allow users to find answers to questions related to a particular software application, share tips and techniques, and connect with other users who have similar interests or expertise. 3. Beta Forums. Adobe sometimes offers beta versions of its software to allow users to test new features and provide feedback. Beta forums are where users can discuss their experiences with beta versions, report bugs, and suggest improvements directly to Adobe's development team. 4. Language-specific forums. Adobe provides forums in multiple languages to accommodate users from preferences. These forums allow users to seek support and engage with other users in their native language, making it easier to communicate and collaborate within their local communities. 5. Feature requests and feedback forums. Adobe also hosts forums dedicated to feature requests and feedback, where users can suggest new features or improvements for Adobe products. Adobe's product teams actively monitor these forums to gather user feedback and prioritize feature requests for future software updates. 6. Community guidelines and moderation. Adobe's forums are governed by community guidelines to ensure a positive and respectful environment for all users. Moderators oversee the forums to enforce these guidelines, address any inappropriate behavior, and help maintain a constructive and supportive community atmosphere. Overall, Adobe's forums are a valuable resource for users to connect, collaborate, and learn from each other, whether they need technical support, creative inspiration, or want to share their expertise with others. Users can access the forums through Adobe's website and participate in discussions, ask questions, or contribute to ongoing conversations related to Adobe products and services.